Hi, it's Adam with AEvent here. What we're going to go over in this video is finding your ActiveCampaign API and integrate into AEvent with that. So what you want to do first is record your API through from ActiveCampaign. In order to find that is you want to come down on the left-hand side. You have settings in your dashboard in ActiveCampaign. Select that. Over on the left-hand side in the settings menu, we're going to want to go into the developer tab. And it's going to open up our API access. Now, we've already had it set up, so what you would do here is just copy each one and then paste it into the app when it asks for it. But a tip I suggest doing is starting yourself an Excel or a Google Sheet spreadsheet to where you keep your information to retrieve it and to be able to set the account back up again. Sometimes that it's technology. You might have to reconnect it. Sometimes it gets disconnected for whatever reason. It's a lot easier just to come to the sheet, copy what you need from here, and go into AEvent and repaste it versus going into each individual one that you have and trying to go back into finding that information again. You can have it just logged here. But you're more than welcome to keep this open and open up AEvent in the joining window and copy and paste from here as well. So what you want to do is go into integrations and add integration button up in the top right. You'll find all the integrations that we go with. It's alphabetical order, but you can also search too if you're not looking at something that's at the top of the list like we are with ActiveCampaign. So you click on the integration, and with that integration, once you click on it, you'll see what's available inside. Once you make the connection, what you're able to do with AEvent and ActiveCampaign. We're going to want to add integration. Now you want to name this however you want to do it. Hit the connect, and now this is where the API codes and stuff come into play. So you can go, like I said, you can come over here and just copy it directly off of here. You see it's copied to clipboard. We can add it into here, and we can come back out to here. We can copy this one and then add it into here, and then click continue, and it's success. Now it's, as you saw it pop up here, you can click off, and now the integration is made. ActiveCampaign now is hooked up to your AEvent account, and from here we can now start setting up timeline actions that correspond with your messaging in ActiveCampaign. So the further videos that you will see, we're going to have about adding actions. We're going to have other follow-ups to help you along using ActiveCampaign and AEvent together. So any questions, let us know. You can get us in support bubble, and off your dashboard is right here. You can click on it. It's going to come up, and you have the message us. You can get a hold of us right away. And then the help section here is going to allow you to get into the tutorials and the collections and stuff like that. So you can break them down into what you are looking for as well. So we're looking forward to helping you out, and we will see you in the next video.